I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to grip the roots for box braids. This is perfect for beginners. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So we're starting off with beeswax. You can use edge control or shine and jam on the roots of the hair just to get all the fine hairs and make sure everything is slick at the roots. Starting off with the colored braiding hair because it's easier for you guys to see. And you're going to have your braiding hair split in two and you're going to put it right on top of the real hair. And then you're going to take the braiding hair to the left side. So both strands are going to be on the left side and you're going to have your real hair on the right side. Use that right index finger to hold the hair down because you want to make sure it's gripped at the roots. So you have your two strands on the left side and you're going to twist it. So two strands and you're just going to twist it. Get closer to the roots because you do not want any slippage. So twist it and now you're going to begin braiding. So take your index and your middle finger and you're going to grab one of the strands of braiding hair. And the other three fingers are going to hold your real hair. Take your real hair under. So now your index finger and your thumb and your left hand is going to have the real hair and take it to the left side. Your thumb and your index finger is going to grab that left strand of braiding hair. And again, you're going to twist the right braiding hair under and the left hand, the thumb and the index finger is going to grab it and you're going to do the left side, twist it under, and on your right hand, thumb and the index finger is going to grab the real hair. And that's how you braid all the way down. And as you guys can see, the hair at the roots is gripped. I'm going to show you guys this 2 more times, okay? So again, with the colored hair for you guys to see, you're going to have your braiding hair split into 2 strands right on top of the real hair. So the right strand of braiding hair goes to the left. And now on the right side is your real hair and 2 strands of the braiding hairs on the left side. And you're going to twist it. So when you braid, your index finger and your thumb is doing most of the work. And then the right side goes under and the left side goes under. And you just repeat that all the way down. So when it comes to the end of the real hair, I borrow from the braiding hair and I add it to the real hair. So I make sure I see which way the real hair was going to go initially. And then I go ahead and borrow hair from the braiding hair and I just continue the braid all the way down. I normally tuck the end of the real hair under the fake braiding hair like that. I just pull the braiding hair over the end of the hair and then I just continue on braiding down. This stops the real hair from showing at the very end. Make sure you guys separate the braiding hair because sometimes it gets caught and it gets tangled. I added my product to the root of the hair, combing it through a little bit to slick everything down. This time I'm going to be using black hair to show you guys how to grip the roots for box braids. So you have your black braiding hair, you're going to split it into 2 and put it over the real hair. Take both strands of braiding hair and you're going to take it to the left side. And you have your real hair on the right side. Use your index finger to hold the root of the hair. And you're going to twist the braiding hair. Index finger at the root to keep everything intact. Twist. Take your index and your thumb on your right hand. Twist it at the root, index and thumb on your right hand. You guys see the knot already, and you're going to grab 1 strand of braiding hair with the index and the thumb on your right hand. So now you have 3 strands, and you guys can see the knot at the root. It's firm, it's in place, and it's not going anywhere. The real hair was on the right side. You're going to twist it under, and the left thumb and index finger grab the real hair, and that's how you braid all the way down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now that you're at the end of the hair, the real hair, sometimes I add product to the end of the hair, beeswax, jam, for the real hair to blend in and not stick out. So I make sure I see which way I was going to braid with the real hair before I borrow. So it's going that way. So I borrow hair from that strand and add it to the real hair. And then I just continue on braiding. In order order to get any bumps or lumps out of the braid, I just normally squish the braid and it looks more even that way. So I am all done. I'm just going to dip her hair. I'm giving her curls at the very end. Use very hot water. Be careful. Make sure you have a towel. And don't forget to moisturize the scalp. I'm using Jamaican black castor oil. And you guys can see the roots. They look so good. This is the easiest way to grip box braids ever. Perfect for beginners. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I also have a detailed parting tutorial on how I parted her hair. Super easy for box braids and it looks so professional. That video will be in the description box down below. Combine that parting tutorial with how to grip the box braids and you will be on your way to go. Save your money and do your own box braids at home. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment down below, share the video. It could help someone.